5 steps to create a whiteboard animation video with Canva, like this video.
Would you like to leave a lasting impression on your customers and encourage them to buy more of your products? Or would you like to explain a complex idea simply and effectively in a captivating video? I can help you increase your company's visibility, attract more customers, and increase your sales by creating your video. My priority is to create a video that will inspire your audience to take action. I'll make a unique explainer video that highlights your business, your products, and your services. You'll get all this, plus exceptional customer service and a clear and transparent rate. I'll make sure you're 100% satisfied. Contact me to get your explainer video.
I will show you how to do the same video in this 5 steps tutorial. Step 1. Write a script. Your script is the backbone of your video, guiding the narration and visuals. Break down your content into clear sections, ensuring a smooth flow for your audience. Use concise and engaging language to keep viewers interested throughout the video. Tips. Keep sentences short and impactful. Add humor or anecdotes to make your script more engaging. Use a conversational tone. Step 2. Make a storyboard. Sketch out each scene according to your script. Include the main elements, characters, and any text that will appear on the screen. This will serve as a guide when you start creating your animations on Canva. A well-thought-out storyboard ensures a smooth and cohesive flow in your final video. Tips. Use simple drawings or stick figures. Indicate transitions between scenes. Ensure a logical sequence of events. Step 3. Doing the voiceover. Record your script using clear and expressive narration. You can use professional recording equipment or even your smartphone, ensuring a noise-free environment. Make sure your voice matches the tone and mood of your video. You can also use an AI voiceover, like mine. Tips. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Adjust your tone to match the content. Practice before recording. Step 4. Select the images for your video. Head over to Canva and choose images that complement your script and storyboard. Canva offers a vast library of illustrations and icons perfect for whiteboard animations. Ensure that the visuals align with your narration, creating a cohesive and engaging experience for your viewers. Tips. Use consistent visual elements. Incorporate Canva's animation features. Aim for a balance between text and images. Step 5. Editing. Sync the voiceover with the corresponding scenes in your storyboard, and use Canva's animation tools to create dynamic transitions. Fine-tune the timing and pacing for a polished final product. Tips. Experiment with different animations. Pay attention to timing for a natural feel. Preview your video multiple times for adjustments. Watch my follow-along tutorial to make your first whiteboard animation with Canva.
I resize the hand and place the marker lead at the beginning of the sentence. I copy and paste the hand on the other pages. I click on the text and then on Animate. I select the typewriting effect and choose on Enter and Character. I click on the hand and then click on Animate. I follow the instructions to animate the hand. I set the movement speed to match the scrolling words in order to give the impression of a writing movement. Note that I forgot to place the hand layer on top of the text layer. Sorry about that. I follow the same steps to animate the other texts and hands on pages 2 and 3, but this time I place the hands layer forward. I click on Elements and in the search bar I write Man Wondering, because that's the type of character I'm looking for. I click on Position. I place the layer of the character behind the hand. I copy the page. I delete the character from the first page. I remove the text and hand animation from the copied page. I place the hand at character level and create a new hand animation to give the impression that the hand is drawing the character. I select the character and click on Animate. Then I click on the wipe effect, on Enter and the up arrow. I try to synchronize the movement of the hand with the appearance of the character.